Beauty expert Michelle Phillips is back to share her weekly beauty tips with an emphasis on how beauty begins, this throws me here, with your mindset.
So I love those soaps. They smell just fabulous.
They really do.
If you guys could just smell the vision. I always say that.
We're always asking you, like,
Yes.
all right, what have you found lately? What do we need to know about?
Okay, this is so cool.
Wait till you hear this.
Okay, so this is Serum Miracle. This is an Ageless Delight Beauty Chocolate Supplement. Okay?
Chocolate, everybody.
Chocolate supplement. This chocolate is cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and it's sugar-free and allergen-free. It's organic South American dark chocolate.
I know what your answer is going to be, though, because I know you. And you say yes to serums.
Absolutely, and it's worth it. And so many times I've been here and I've mentioned serums, and every single time everybody's like, what are serums? What are serums? So I decided to do an entire segment on serums because they're really important. First of all, serums give your skin an extra boost.
Okay.
And you use them before you apply your moisturizer. I think of them like a treatment. So you purchase serums based on what skincare concerns you have.
Okay.
Our dear friend, Michelle Phillips, she is back with us, the beauty guru. We were talking with her a little bit. I caught her on national television last night. She was on the list. Michelle is all over the place, and we're excited she's got some time for us today.
Well, let's bring in Michelle Phillips now, and let's hear, would she rather give up TV or social media, Miss Social Media Queen?
I'm watching you on TV, but you're always giving good tips. And that's our conversation when we see you. It's like, okay, Michelle, have you heard of this? Have you heard of this? I mean, it's like cram as much as we can into a short amount of time. And I know today, though, is no different because you want to share with our viewers some things that people can do maybe at home to kind of keep up their old beauty regimen.
We all want the best beauty products when it comes to our skincare regimen and beyond, especially if it's going to
Improve the overall tone and texture and reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
We spoke to celebrity makeup artist Michelle Phillips, who shares 3 new beauty trends making their mark in the self-care and wellness world of beauty.
Welcome back to Daytime, everyone. As the weather gets hotter, we all want to start wearing less. That means not only clothing, but also maybe makeup on our faces. But of course, you want your skin to look as good as it possibly can if you're going to go with less makeup. We have celebrity makeup artist and beauty expert Michelle Phillips joining us now to talk about how to make our skin glow. Hi, Michelle.
Hi, thanks for having me. Yeah, this is such a big question I'm getting right now is a lot of people are saying, okay, my skin's been stressed out, different schedules going on. How can I make my skin look healthy again, which in turn means glowing better? And then I'm going to share a mask that you can make from your kitchen ingredients to actually boost your skin.
So this morning we have the author of this book right here joining us. The Beauty Blueprint book is by celebrity makeup artist and life coach Michelle Phillips. Michelle, I mean, what else do I need? I need someone who's going to do my makeup, make me look great, and then while you're doing it, tell me how to make my life look great, too. You've got it both covered there. Anything we need to do with our makeup differently? I mean, your lipstick looks impeccable.
Oh, thank you. I think soft, natural colors are most important because, again, you want to look polished. You don't want people to look at you and just see your makeup.
She'll do your makeup and change your life, this woman. I love it.
Well, thankfully, our resident beauty expert, Michelle Phillips, joins us today to share a few of those top trends, at least ones that are Michelle approved.
That's right.
It can get very overwhelming.
Yeah, and for everyday women.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I look at these social media feeds and I think, really? Not so much, unless you're like 17. So
Yes.
I'm going to share some trends that are great for every lady.
Okay, sounds good.
We're going to continue this. In the meantime, where can people go for more information?
Oh, go to my website, michellephillips.com.
Good stuff. If we can look like Michelle, we're all winners.